Most leadership theories have established that self, the leader itself, is the most important instrument in delivering incredible leadership. My hope with this series is to restore that leadership, the heart of leadership, by restoring character. And who does a better job of teaching us character of what matters the most and giving us the practical wisdom that we can deploy across situations so that we're not just identified as a good leader based on the situation we're in, but that we have the wisdom and the adaptive ability to be our best selves in any given situation. My hope with this series is to use children's literature and use the amazing, simple, and yet most effective invitations that stories can make in inviting leaders to build their character across different attributes. A lot of what I will be talking about is based on the character leadership theory, and this is relatively new. This research really started in 2016, but if you think about however long education has lasted, even before the written word, the wisdom was passed on through stories, orally. And now, if you have children, if you're interested in children's literature, you pick up any book. There is a moral to the story. So much of the character is based on the virtue. And why would that be important? Well, anybody who wants or chooses to be in a leadership position probably was motivated by one of these three things. First, we are all socialized to choose to grow in our jobs and across organizations. Somehow we were all told that the best demonstration of our ability, our performance, and our aspirations is the positions that we hold in our workplaces. So we grew up thinking, well, you know what, at a certain stage in life, after a certain number of successes, the most obvious next step is climbing the corporate ladder. So that's the most common way people get into leadership. The second way is around power. And power is not a dirty word. It's when power becomes self-serving, which actually is politics. But power is attractive to many people, some more than others. And what better and easy way to have power than some leadership position that gives you a factual authority by controlling resources, money, people, what work gets done, how it gets done. So power is the second way people get into leadership positions. The third way people come into leadership is because they aspire to and want to serve others. They want to have an impact and they want to create communities and organizations where people matter and the work matters and they're making a difference. Now, I can't imagine anyone who came into leadership just for one of the three conditions. They can overlap, they can coexist. But doesn't matter whether somebody chooses to be a leader because they want to serve or because they just were socialized and fell into leadership positions, or that they're seeking power. The most effective way they can accomplish any of those tasks is by building their character. Because when they build their character, they really ground themselves in what matters most. Any leadership position means you're getting work done through other people. And when you work from a place of virtuous character, you are honoring and seeing other people also as humans, creating environments and culture where people want to contribute. People care about the outcomes and they give their best and discretionary effort. So this series is going to borrow from children's literature and talk about stories one at a time that share profound insights in what leaders in today's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world need. And as you watch these series, if you think of other books that you have read that really had a profound impact or made you think, please share that with me. You can type a comment below or send me an email. Let's collectively create a repository that takes us back to basics. Let's restore leadership by restoring character. Thank you for your support, and I look forward to sharing this series with you.